This question is all about understanding how sequences work. A sequence is just a list of numbers that follows a specific rule. There are two main ways to describe these rules: recursive and explicit. Part A is solving the recursive rule. The question gives you two pieces of information. 1. U sub 1 equals 2. This is your starting point. The first number in the list is 2. 2. U sub n equals -4 times U sub n minus 1. This is the recursive formula. The formula states to find the current term U sub n by taking the previous term, U sub n minus 1, and multiplying it by -4. Since the rule is to multiply the last number by -4, we just keep going down the line. To find U sub 2, multiply the first term, 2, by -4. This is equal to -8. To find U sub 3, multiply the second term, -8 by -4. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. So U sub 3 equals 32. To find U sub 4, multiply the third term, 32 by -4. This is equal to -128. Finally, to find U sub 5, multiply the fourth term, -128 by -4. This is equal to 512. Let's move to part B. A recursive rule is annoying if you want to find the 100th term because you'd have to calculate all 99 terms before it. An explicit rule is like a shortcut. You just substitute in the position number n and get the answer immediately. This sequence is geometric because we are multiplying by the same number every time. Let's break down the formula. Our first term, a, is 2. The common ratio, r, which is the number you multiply by, is -4. n minus 1 is the exponent. Putting the first term, common ratio, and the exponent together, we get U sub n equals 2 times -4 to the power of n minus 1. This matches the first option. Now you know how to bridge the gap between a recursive rule and an explicit definition. Just remember, recursive is your step-by-step guide, while explicit is your shortcut to any term in the sequence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.